Merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan from Turkish Food Recipes. Today I have a very easy dessert recipe for you. In Turkish we call revani. It is also well known in Middle East countries as basbousa. It is really traditional for us too. There are many different kinds, similar recipes, some of them made with milk or yogurt or plain. But because we really like this version, I choose this one to share with you. I'm really excited, and to show you how easy it is to make, my daughter is going to make it for us. So let's get started. We will begin by making this simple syrup. The syrup is also lighter. We have 2 cups of water and 1.5 cups of sugar. By the way, we were living in our other house when we make this recipe, so the environment might be different for you who are careful watching. She will continue to cook the syrup until boiled about 5 more minutes, and couple of drops of lemons. Our syrup will be done. For the cake, we have 4 eggs in room temperature and half cup of sugar. To give some flavor, I used lemon rind. And my daughter Zeynep will going to mix everything until very light and fluffy, about 3-4 minutes. You will see the difference now. It gets lighter in the color and texture too. So we are ready to add more. We're not gonna use much oil, just 1 tablespoon. It could be olive oil or any vegetable oil, and then add the semolina flour. It is also half cup. Next, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour and 1 pack of baking powder. It makes about 2 teaspoons. You can also flavor with vanilla if you like. Orange rind also work well with this recipe. So it is ready. As you see, very fluffy mixture we have. To bake, I choose 20 to 28 centimeter rectangular pan. You can use square or round pan, just make it medium, not too wide, in similar sizes. So it goes to 170 degrees Celsius preheated oven for about 25 minutes until golden brown on top and bottom. In the meantime, the syrup was ready. We turn off the heat and make it warm. And here is our revani, golden brown and puffed up well. So we give us a thumbs up together. And pour the warm syrup, cooled down syrup over the revani, which is after 10 minutes get out from the oven. Pour it slowly because the revani cake is very fluffy. My daughter just poured everything, so it was bubbling from over, but it was okay after a while. The revani will soak the syrup in no time, and to serve, I always prefer grated unsweetened coconut for it. It really goes well. Actually, when I was small and my mother was making revani, it was a must-have for me to eat it. I wasn't eating it without grated coconut. My daughter cut a generous size of portion for you, and I just helped it to transfer it. So this is a fluffy version of our traditional revani recipe. I hope you try and like it. Thanks for watching. I have many similar syrup dessert recipes for Ramadan or any special days. I will put the links for it too. And I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes. Afiyet olsun.